අපි දැන් යන්නේ පෝලිං ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට සහ කැරෝකි ගීත ගායනයට තමයි. විරහාවේ වේදනාවෙන් මම මිරිගී ගිය පිරිමියෙක්.
කියලා කාගේද?
කිමන් මාදේජා ගහලා ගන්නේ.
Oh, yes, 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 I can win. I feel spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still. That's why I love her. Yes, independent.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. If you watched my last vlog, you already know we are in Kyoto. If you not, go check it out please. Right now we are at round 1 and we're spending the night playing games and having some fun. Let's see what we get up tonight.
සින්දු කියන්න දැන්නද? අපි අද ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ Kyoto නගරේ බෝරිංගු නැවති round 1 sport entertainment round 1. අපි දැන් යන්නේ පෝලිං ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට සහ කැරෝකි ගීත ගායනයට තමයි.
මොනවා ගීතද ඔබතුමාද බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන ගායනය?
අද කොටම විරහ වේදනාව මම විරහාවේ වේදනාවෙන් මම මිරිගී ගිය පිරිමියෙක්. මම හින්දා විරහ ගීත ගායනා කරලා අද
සන්තෝෂයක් ලබනවා.
ලොකු විරහ
මොනවද ගායනා කරන ගීත ඔබතුමා?
මම පුරුදුලා කියන්නේ.
පුරුදුලා කාගේද?
කිමන් මාදේජා ගහලා ගන්නේ.
කාගේද? චාමර වීරසිංහ.
කාගේ තෝවිතා
මොකද්ද කරන්න හදන්නේ?
මූණ වෙලි කන්නේ. ස්වීට් මූණ කියුටි. අනේ ඉන්න. මම සපත්තේ දිනන්නේ කාගේ?
බාන්න.
හලෝ ආතාට වීඩියෝ දාලා. ආතාට වීඩියෝ දාලා.
Wow, unreal. My gosh. This is amazing. I feel incredible. Yes, 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 yes. I can win. I feel great. I can do this. Ugh. Yes, I'm home. I'm alive. This is all a miracle. I'm awake. I'm wide awake. I was tripping off. I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long. Probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I can pour you up a drink and we can burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass and come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass and come through. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on. But who the fuck will focus with this twerking going on? So I'ma put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up and stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, make that different, you know. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life. Girl, you know you got that thing that I like. Yeah, you got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor with you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late? I always pour you up a drink and let you burn something.
Everything